interaction is key to leaving a positive impression on a customer. This presentation will be analyzing customer interaction via social media and how important it is to have an active following on. This topic is important because a business without any marketing strategies is not a business at all. One of the largest marketing strategies is social media. So why not conduct research to find better and more efficient ways to keep customers engaged? We will first do this by starting off by talking about the facts and statistical evidence, then the pros and cons in the way Chipotle is currently using its social media, and then lastly, the alternative options for customers and the next steps to take. Our analyzation focuses on 3 of Chipotle's competitors' social media accounts, Facebook and Instagram. The competitors include Taco Bell, El Pollo Loco, and Del Tacos. Taco Bell was the most successful in utilizing their social media accounts. They had the most customer interactions, for instance likes and comments, as well as the most followers. Taco Bell incorporated a color scheme and theme of purple and yellow. This allows customers to correlate these colors with Taco Bell every time they see an ad by this company. They were able to maximize Instagram's platform by using the 3 columns on their profile to post 3 pictures at once. By posting 3 pictures at once, this allows the consumer to view more Taco Bell ads on their timeline within a scroll. Del Taco and El Pollo Loco has unprofessional pictures with little usage of a color scheme and very few followers compared to Taco Bell. Additionally, most customer interactions and feedback were negative. Del Taco posted 1 to 3 every 1 to 3 days of pictures and short videos. Their pictures resembled reposts from customers in everyday life, with no specific theme. They also exemplified the same content in their Instagram account. El Pollo Loco posted about 2 times a week. They had a color scheme of burgundy, black, and white, but it wasn't very apparent and distinctive in their advertisements. Their photos and videos were simplistic, unimpressive, and very unprofessional. Chipotle, on the other hand, utilizes a color scheme occasionally, but could learn to maximize each platform more efficiently like Taco Bell. Most feedback is positive, and if Chipotle wants to continue to build their following base, they should avoid taking simplistic pictures which might be unattractive to consumers. It's apparent here that Taco Bell surpasses Chipotle as well as the other 2 competitors by miles. Chipotle needs to emphasize their social media following because the more followers there are, the more consumers' eyes are seeing these ads. It is also significantly apparent that Instagram's interactions, for example, likes and comments, are a lot higher than the other companies. This is most likely due to their ability to maximize Instagram's tools and platform to the best of its ability. In this graph, you can see that Facebook's interactions by Taco Bell are completely out of the company's range. Again, this might be due to their utilization of Facebook's platform and tools, and that Taco Bell uses a more consistent color scheme when advertising to attract the consumer's eyes. As you can see in this graph, people are spending at least 1 to 6 hours a day on social media, and very few people spend less than 1 hour on it. This means that social media is a very important tool in today's day and age and can be used to reach and grow a larger community of consumers. Some pros of Chipotle using social media is that it is low in cost, can spread information within a click of a button, and is easily accessible. Chipotle excels in providing a color scheme and high-quality photos. However, the downfall of using social media is that it is difficult to control how fast information can spread. This is crucial in the event that misinformation or negative criticism is released on social media. Then there is no way in retracting that. Chipotle lacks a sufficient amount of comments on their posts, so little customer interaction. They rarely offer a special deal which would really help attract more customers.
Alternative options would be, first, to improve Instagram and Facebook captions. We can do this by creating fun captions that will catch the eye of the reader. We can also include more special offers and include small social competitions and giveaways. Secondly, we can improve the amount of replies. We can do this by hiring a person to actively manage Chipotle's social media, answer all or most comments on Facebook and Instagram, and hopefully spark more conversation. Thirdly, we should pay more attention to the following dynamics: managing consumer behavior, shaping marketing strategies, and relationships with consumers through mutual relationships. The demographic of likes, comments, followings, and other interactions on a social media site should be clear and catered to.
In this presentation, we observed and analyzed 3 of Chipotle's competitors, Del Taco, Taco Bell, and El Pollo Loco. We noted successful social media techniques, posting pictures, videos, animations, and clever texts that follow specific themes. Consistent flow of color scheme helps with branding as well. We also learned that people spend hours of their day on social media, so maximizing Facebook and Instagram are very powerful tools. Ultimately, the use of social media outlets is imperative in improving branding.
The next step for Chipotle would be to follow the alternative options mentioned. If these methods do not succeed, Chipotle Company will work together to brainstorm marketing strategies involving interaction on social media. If these methods do succeed, we will continue to grow our business and build our following on Instagram, Facebook, and eventually Twitter. Our goal is to make the world better, one burrito at a time. And just like our motto, we will do the same, but one follower at a time.